Dear students, yesterday we have seen that solution of pair of linear equation, right? Now, in the basis of solution, here we will show you directly, but later on other classes, then second, third classes you will learn the idea to find the solution. Now, in the previous class, we find the solution with the graph. Where two graph intersect, that are the solution of the equation. So on the basis of this, see first pair of linear equation and two variable. This is the first pair of linear equation and two variable have a solution for 2. Right? We have used it directly. Now you will see later on. And second, this pair of linear equation has a solution only is this, and it is only a single solution, unique solution, we can say, because the graph of these two pair of linear equation intersect only a point, okay, or meets at a point only. Now in second case we are here directly. In second case we find that it has no solution. If you try to find the solution, you will find no solution. But in case of third, you will find that infinitely many solutions. Means I want to say that a pair of linear equation, there are three situations you will find. First, a solution, a single solution. Second, no solution. Third, infinitely many solutions. So on the basis of this and these coefficient of the variables, these coefficient of the pair of equations, right, we will try to find out a result, and we will learn a result depending on the ratio of their coefficients. In this way we can say solution, it has solution, no solution, or infinitely solution. As well as we will try to see that its graphical representation with the help of ratio of their coefficient. We will try to find out nature of solution and graphical representation. See here first. Now if x minus 2y equal to 0, first, x minus 2y, it was see here. On the basis of it, this we will try to find out the ratio. First, ratio of coefficients. First condition. In this case, we can see that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. What is a1 a2? See here, standard equation for the linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the standard form of a pair of linear equation. So we will find a result with the help of this and using this. So in the first case, a1 upon a2. This is a1, b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2. So a1 upon a2. If a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, right? You can see in the first case, A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 is minus 2 upon 4, it is not equal to 1 upon 3. So, if there is this type of condition find where ratio of coefficient not equal, so we can say pair of linear equation has unique solution. Unique solution. In other words, only one solution. Only one solution. Right? Pair of linear equation has unique solution. As you see here, it has only 2, 4 and 2 as a solution. Unique solution, we can say no solution. Same thing in the graphical form, you will find that if you draw a line, these lines will draw lines intersect at a point. As you know that every equation is correspondent graph, every graph has its correspondent equation. So when we draw graph for this situation, you will find that line intersect at a point. So we can say here also lines intersect at a point. At a point, right? Since solution is finding here, solution is here, so we can use one more word, consistent. We can use more here. Consistent, right? So on the basis of this, you can say both all are the same thing, but in other words, as depend on your question. क्वेश्चन में कभी पूछेगा यूनिक सोल्यूशन है, नो है, नहीं है, मेनी सोल्यूशन है, नो है, नहीं है, ओनली वन सोल्यूशन है, लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट आर पैरेलल आर एनीथिंग. तो these are the different words you will use according to your question. Now second condition is if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, these ratios are equal but not equal to C1 upon C2, but not equal to C1 upon C2 in the third case, the second case, sorry, right? So this was the first case, this was the second case. In second case, pair of linear equation has, here I have written that no solution. So pair of linear equation has no solution, right? In other words, lines intersect or not intersect, we will see here lines never intersect each other. Lines are, we can say lines are parallel. Lines are parallel, right? Consistent. If we have no solution, possible solution any, so we can say inconsistent. Inconsistency, right? See here, graphical representation of this will be like this. Since both lines are parallel, so they will never intersect each other. So we cannot find its solution. So like this cases, coefficient ratio of the coefficient will be like this: A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2. In three words, has no solution. We cannot find solution. In other words, lines are parallel and inconsistent because there is no any solution. Now third condition is, now we are going to rough it. In the third condition, if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 but also equal to C1 upon C2, as you seen in this case, A1 upon A2 that is 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 that is 1 upon 3, C1 upon C2 that is 1 upon 3. So all the ratios are same, right? So what will be your condition? Pair of lines has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. First word, it has many solutions. Second word, lines are coincident. In third word, many solution, lines are coincident. And third word, it was consistent, right? So there are three results we can find here. If see it without seeing you cannot find it. If it is represent the first pair of linear equation, then second will also on this basis of this, right? Both lines are on the same, like this. Both lines are same, like this figure, right? In this figure we find that we can say here lines intersect each other infinitely many points. So we can say lines has infinitely many solutions. So many solutions you can find, and lines are coincident according to the figure, and it are consistent because solution is present over here. We cannot say solution is not present. We can say solution is present, but now one more thing. In the three cases, it has many solutions. Second was has no solution. First was has unique solution. So whenever you solve the question, you can find only solution for the first situation. You cannot find solution for the other two. For this you can find, but you cannot if any word problem like situation in the last classes, when we find out age, when we try to find out caste. So age and caste, not maybe infinitely many age and caste. So we are unable to show this type of solution. We should have only one solution, right? So this case is also called dependent. Okay. On the basis of these two, first of all, try to summarize it and their graphical presentation. According to question, you will write answer. उस टाइम बताएंगे
15
Now let us try this question. On comparing A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, say lines say graphical presentation of pair of linear equation. On comparing this, say graphical presentation of pair of linear equations. So now let us take one example. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Second pair is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. One more thing, always try to write down these two equations, one above below, right? One above below. You will find the ratio easily. So try to find out ratio a1 upon a2. a1 is coefficient of x, a2 is coefficient of x in other equation. Coefficient of x is 5, in this 7. Now again try to find out b1 upon b2. What is b1 upon b2? Coefficient of y. This is minus 4 upon 6. You can cancel it. This will be minus 2 upon 3. Now C1 upon C2 you can find here. C1 upon C2, the constant term, that is 8 upon 9. First of all, we will try to find out all these A1 upon A2, B1 upon A2, C1 upon C2. Then now come on the comparison. Now A1 upon A2 equal to A1 upon A2 is this, B1 upon A2 is this. So what you see, observe here, we find that since A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. You can see here obviously it is 5 upon 7, it is minus 2 upon 3. So we can write here 5 upon 7 not equal to minus 2 upon 3. Right? So now go back to the list. Go back to the situation we have given you. First situation, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and according to the question is asking about presentation of the graph. So in first case, presentation of the graph is line intersect at a point. What is line intersect at a point? So therefore lines intersect at a point. Okay, we can say here pair of linear equation, graph of pair of linear equation intersect at a point. So many words you can use. Intersect at a point. What we say that on the basis of the graph, on the basis of the ratio of coefficient. Now try these two questions at home. First, A. Question is this. Now 9x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, and 18x plus 6y, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Right? B. 6x minus 3y, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Right? These are the two homeworks for you. First of all, write the ratio of their coefficient, then compare it, then write the comments according to the question. Thank you.